Palm Springs. This is a treatment mask you use before you shampoo. This is Amanda Wall. She's R+Co's creative director and in charge of all the fabulous packaging we do. Amanda's a perfect candidate for Palm Springs because she likes to colour treat her hair and is brilliant with hot tools, hot rollers, anything that you can damage your hair with, but we made Palm Springs for everyone who loves to do that. Here we're just having a look at the packaging. Palm Springs we recommend once a week, and you can leave it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 hours, it's up to you. So we dampen the hair down for an even application. Palm Springs comes in a mousse form just to give us the quality of the feel of the product, and again, application so important to us. So working from roots to ends and brushing through, and then we just leave it. I think we're going to leave it for about 30-45 minutes, so we'll give her a little break. So Amanda sat for about 45 minutes, then we did our shampoo and conditioner. You can use the regimen that works best for your hair. Now I just want to go through and start to dry and show you really the performance of this product. We blended babasu seed oil, shea butter, organ oil, coconut oil and sodium PCA that really just gives us deep hydration. Intense conditioning also softens and seals in moisture. A blend of sage leaf extract, rose hip extract, nettle leaf extract, panthenol, amino acids and sunflower seed oil that really nourish and strengthen the hair and creates a healthy scalp environment. Again, healthy scalp, so important. And for fragrance, we're using the Relative Paradise. Great name. Just finishing up here, drying out the hair, not moving it around too much, but just getting some of the moisture out. I'm going to use a round brush, but you could leave this style the way you want. You've already got that mask in there that's just giving you all that moisture. It gives you the ability to still do what you love with your hair, but with sealed in moisture, even if you want to destroy your hair, we'll save it. Now remember, hair's chemically treated, it's dry. This product will bring hair to another level and just keeps that moisture, and you can see just starting to work my hands through the hair, and fantastic. It's a beautiful sexy look. You can use this product in any length of hair, any quality of hair, and you'll see the difference. There you go, just giving it a little feel. That is quality hair, just fantastic. Take a couple of pictures, just beautiful. And I must admit, what a beautiful haircut. I wonder who did that. Me. So we're outside, a little bit of natural light, flash, and just a little bit of wind in the hair. Photography is so important to us, and it shows you exactly how our products work. And here Amanda, just having a look at her pictures, because it's her other job, apart from modelling, doing packaging. That's what R+Co is. We make everything ourselves. Why not? Palm Springs, I can't say enough about this product. It does what it says, and a little bit more. That's the beauty of R+Co. Thanks very much. Enjoy.